Hello everyone guys, welcome to my new channel, Everybody Linux. I'm Paolo and I want to show you a very interesting, easy to do and useful thing, the customization of the message of the day in Linux. It can be done in two ways. So basically we need to do it the first one and then the second one. The first one is very easy, is the very basic way to customize the welcome message when I log in via SSH using PuTTY. So this is my console screen. So the login in CentOS 9 stream. I'm using this version 9.9 stream. So basically the latest version of CentOS based on Red Hat. So and I'm doing a remote session via PuTTY. PuTTY uses the port 22. So I'm open PuTTY and I show you what I want to do. So basically I open a session. You know everybody what is PuTTY. PuTTY is applying to access remotely via port 22 via SSH to Linux. Okay, so I log in with my user. Okay, this is the default message we have every time we log into Linux. Okay, so you know what is, and you always see this one in default unless you do this. So basically, let's say that I want to that appears here to show up when I log in. I don't know. Hello, welcome to CentOS. Something easy. You can write anything you want. Basically, from a system point of view, you can write anything you want. So basically, we just make it easy. And okay, let's do what we want to do. The file is MOTD, so stands for message of the day, and it's inside a very important ATC folder. It's one of the most important folder in Linux. Contains all the configuration file for your system. You can customize anything there about your programs, software you have, and we'll override the default settings using these files present in this ATC folder. You can create by yourself the files as well if the software, the program allows. So basically, let's customize the MOTD file. Let's enter in the ATC. I need to be very careful here to use the permission. I am a super user, so let's say LV, it will be listed in alphabetical order. The file I need to modify is this MOTD. Okay, this one is already present. Okay, cool. Let's do it. So I need to have my permissions sudo and sfv and OTD. Okay, so yes, right here my password. Let's see, of course, what I have to do. It's empty, guys. It's always empty. So you just need to enter your you just need to enter what you want, pressing I, so stands for insert in VI. That is the editor that I'm using. You can write anything you want. If you are a system admin, you want to say anything to the users when they log in, you can, I don't know, let's say that you are migrating the system in 1 week. You say, remember, and a reminder, in 1 week the system will start the migration to, I don't know, another system, to another version. So you write this, or you say, hello guys, you want to be nice and try polite, and you want to update every day with a new message. Say, hello guys, today is Friday, whatever, the weekend is coming. I don't know, whatever you want, guys. Really, it's up to you. So I just be simple. I save it, I exit, and then I click colon, right quit, WQ, shebang, exclamation mark, it saves. Right quit, it's saved. Everything you write will be saved. Click enter. And now let's open another PuTTY session. So I do save. I already have it here. Let's see what happens now when I log in. And we have here, okay, I always log in with my user, but I can be valid for any user you may want to use. Okay, and you see that I am here my message. Easy, huh? Okay, very easy, huh? Easy peasy. So basically, this is what I wanted to show you guys. So let's stay in this window and let's do the second chance we have to modify the welcome message. This time will be a little bit more interesting because we can also enter commands here and variable, and we can show up to the welcome, can display on the welcome login message, for example, some parameters of our system or important parameters interesting, like, I don't know, the version we are using and the username is logged in, the host name, etc. etc. Whatever you want, the date, everything you want to know that is, let's say, that is picked up by the kernel from some information that are taken by the kernel. Okay, so for example, we say the most important things that I say that are that one, but you can really show whatever you need. Okay, so let's go with the second method that I say it's a little bit longer, more operation involved, and more interesting. So let's clear this. Let's clear the screen. And yeah, so we need to enter always in the ACT folder, okay? But this time we need to enter in the subdirectory named profile D. This is a very important profile D is a very important directory because it allows to, it contains the shell script that are executed automatically. So when a user access to the system, basically this script, let's say, define the environmental variable. You can set, let's say, search path. You can configure the settings for the shell, the prompt of the shell, and other things. You can customize whatever you need and work environment when you access. Okay, so they will work at the access to the window. So I will, when you log in, I will now create access into this subdirectory of etc. And now I'm here. I show what we have. We don't have yet. Our file is not present yet. We need to create it to customize our welcome message this way. So we need to create a file. I need to elevate my permissions. And let's call it greetings. You can call it whatever you want. I call it greetings, okay? But it's really up to you, the name. With sudo vi greetings.sh, I create the file, okay? It asks me correctly the password, and I am in my file now, my editor mode. And now I need to put what I want to put. Remember that I'm just copy and paste just for convenience, but you can add it. You can add whatever you need. Now I put in enter mode, in insert text mode, I, pressing I in VI. It will enter in, just press I on the keyboard, and now I copy and paste what I have here. So remember that this is bean bash. This is the opening shebang, the opening instruction. It will be always like this when you have the bash shell. So this will allow to create, to enter script here, commands, basically. So that's what we can do in this kind of welcome message template, differently from the MOTD file that is only some, say, content without the chance to add any comment. Instead, here we can in this file inside profile. So I put simple things. The user is a variable, is in between curly braces. It will show the username you're using. So benvenuto is in Italian, it's my language, and instead of welcome, you can put whatever you want. If you are from any country, you want to put your language, you want to echo whatever you want. I just put, just because I'm Italian, benvenuto, could have put welcome, just to show. At least now you know how we say welcome in Italian. Echo, it stands for, right on the screen, this kernel version of your system. Uname R is the command within this time parentheses, not curly braces, because it's a comma, remember. S stands always, you need to always use stands when you, dollar when you want to enter an instruction to the system. You give an instruction, can be a variable, can be display a command. Otherwise, it will be considered as a text. And again, here we put the host name. Okay, so it's important it will be between quotes, and it's important there is the dollar here to distinguish from the normal content. Okay, so I can save this file. I do as usual, I escape, exit, and then I colon, write quit, shebang, exclamation mark, saved. Okay, so and now we need to do another operation. We need to make this file, let's see, it's been created, this file executable here. Okay, so we need to put it executable. So I can do, oh, sorry, I need to put my sudo, otherwise it won't work because I'm not a root. I need to elevate my permissions. So sudo, I can put UX or AX, let's give it everyone. and do plus the execute permission, it will be giving the permission to execute this file to everyone. So all will be user. If somebody don't know, is user, groups and others. So UGO. A funny thing, UGO in Italian is Ugo is a name, but we don't care. It just was a funny thing I wanted to tell. So sorry guys, sometimes I deviate from the topic with these funny things. So ch mode a plus x. Okay. So we have to put the name of the file here. Okay. Okay, it's perfect. So we are giving the executable permission to this file. Okay, it's working. Okay, perfect. And now let's check. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I put VL, but it's okay. It's working as well. VL. So user LB. It's perfect. It's in green because it's giving to everyone the executable permission. When it's the permission is spread to all the elements, all the group, user group, and others will be always in green. And it's say permission to all the users. So basically it's in green, executable with sh stands for shell script. Okay, basically we have our file. And now we need to do another thing, guys. It's not ended yet. That's why I told you it involves more operation. We need to enter in another folder called SSH. That it's the folder that contains the settings of our SSH login where we are doing to enter into the system remotely. We need to customize another file that I tell you which one is, and this one ssh dconfig. Okay, so this file must be edited. I'll tell you why now. Because if we don't edit this file, it won't work what we are doing. Okay, so it will always display the old MOTD message that we set before. So let's do this. Let's enter. Okay, we have to search for the. Was already there. Sorry for the. Yeah, is here. Print MOTD message of the day is on no. We need to remove this. Is in default actually. It will be written yes, but I already edited before and remain more. So basically, you will find usually yes here. Okay. So this is because I already edited once. It's fine. So just remove the pound, the hash, and that's it. So basically now you are telling, what are you doing now? So you are telling to, when you do SSH login, you are telling to the system to not consider a message a day. The message is in ATC MOTD file, but instead consider this greetings.sh file that you created. Okay. So basically this one must be saved now, like CMate or exit, and then WQ bang, and then we save it. So we are basically overriding the other file, but it's not ended yet. The thing is not done yet because you have another operation to do. So the operation is that we need to restart the service of our SSH daemon. It is like this. Okay, sorry, I forgot one thing. Start. We can do also reload. I do restart. But it's okay, reload as well. I do restart. I don't have any problem to restart at the moment. I don't have anything that is running. So just to make sure I do like this, and it's restarting now. Okay, restarted. And now let's do another login. And let's see if it's working. Let's see, guys. Finger crossed. Okay, so login like Paolo again. Okay. Okay, guys, you see? So now we have our variables that are printed on the screen. This one was as user, and Paolo X is my name, my username, sorry. This is the kernel version of your system. This one picked by the kernel, and this one is inside the system. So the kernel has given us this this message, this info, sorry, and then we have my router. Okay, another parameter, important parameter, the host name, saved, stored in the system. Okay, guys, so that's done. Thank you for watching my first video. I hope you enjoyed, and feel free to add any comment. I'm newer to this experience, to this video tutorial. It's my first one ever, so whatever you have to add, we are here all to learn. I'm open to discussion, to get any tip, anything that you want to add for helping also the other users. So let's contribute all together. I'm open to this. I'm very happy to hear any feedback, and I hope you enjoy again. And thank you for watching, guys. And okay, and thank you, and see you next video. Bye bye.